Join me as I challenge myself to connect with nature through grounding meditations every day for a week. In today's world, it's easy to feel disconnected from the natural world. We're constantly surrounded by screens, concrete, and steel, and it's no wonder we often feel stressed, anxious, and ungrounded. But what if I told you there's a way to change that? Grounding meditations are a powerful tool for reconnecting with nature, enhancing our well-being and mindfulness. By incorporating these practices into our daily lives, we can feel more centered, calm, and at peace. One of the biggest challenges we face in today's fast-paced, technology-driven world is the sense of disconnection we feel from the natural world. We're glued to our screens, constantly checking our notifications, and it's easy to forget that there's a whole world out there waiting to be explored and appreciated. As a result, we often feel stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed, and it can be hard to know where to turn for relief. But the truth is, the answer has been right in front of us all along. Nature has the power to heal and transform us, if only we take the time to connect with it. We've all been there, stuck in a cycle of stress and anxiety, feeling like we're never going to find a way out. But the truth is, nature has the power to calm our minds and soothe our souls. By spending time in nature, we can reduce our stress levels, improve our mood, and even boost our immune systems. And the best part is, you don't need to be a nature lover or an outdoorsy person to reap the benefits. All you need is a willingness to slow down, breathe deeply, and connect with the world around you. So how do we go about reconnecting with nature? It's not as hard as you might think. Simply taking a few minutes each day to step outside, breathe in some fresh air, and focus on your senses can make a huge difference. You might notice the way the sunlight filters through the trees, the sound of birds singing in the distance, or the feeling of the breeze on your skin. By focusing on these small pleasures, we can start to feel more grounded and connected to the world around us. One of the most powerful tools for reconnecting with nature is grounding meditation. This practice involves using visualization, breath work, and physical connection with natural elements to calm the mind and to soothe the body. By incorporating grounding meditation into our daily routine, we can start to feel more centered, calm, and at peace. We can let go of stress and anxiety, and tap into a sense of well-being and mindfulness that we never thought possible. So let's dive deeper into the world of grounding meditation. One of the most powerful techniques is visualization. By closing our eyes and imagining ourselves in a peaceful, natural setting, we can start to calm our minds and soothe our bodies. We might visualize ourselves standing on a mountaintop, surrounded by towering trees and a vast, open sky. Or we might imagine ourselves walking along a peaceful beach, feeling the sand between our toes and the sun on our skin. By using our imagination, we can transport ourselves to a place of peace and tranquility, and start to feel more grounded and connected to the world around us. Another powerful technique is breath work. By focusing on our breath, we can start to calm our minds and slow down our heart rate. We might try inhaling for 4 counts, holding our breath for 4 counts, and exhaling for 4 counts. Or we might try inhaling for 7 counts, holding our breath for 7 counts, and exhaling for 7 counts. By using our breath, we can start to feel more centered and calm, and tap into a sense of well-being and mindfulness. Finally, there's physical connection with natural elements. By spending time in nature, we can start to feel more grounded and connected to the world around us. We might try walking barefoot on the earth, feeling the sun on our skin, or simply spending time outdoors. By using our senses, we can start to feel more alive, more connected, and more at peace. It's time to experience the transformative effects of grounding meditation for yourself. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, allow any tension or stress to release and melt away. Imagine yourself standing in a peaceful, natural setting. It might be a mountaintop, a beach, or a forest. Take a moment to breathe in the sights, sounds, and smells of this place, and allow yourself to feel completely at peace. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to the sensation of your feet touching the ground. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, deep down into the earth. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more centered, and more at peace. Now, imagine a bright, white light flowing down from the crown of your head, filling your body with calm, relaxation, and tranquility. As you continue to breathe, allow yourself to let go of any thoughts, worries, or concerns. Simply focus on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body, and the feeling of being grounded and connected to the earth. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling, and notice any changes in your body or your mind. By incorporating grounding meditation into our daily routine, we can start to feel more centered, calm, and at peace. We can let go of stress and anxiety, and tap into a sense of well-being and mindfulness that we never thought possible. So I encourage you to take a few minutes each day to connect with nature, and experience the transformative effects of grounding meditation for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video on grounding meditations. If you have any experiences you'd like to share, or if you'd like to see more videos on mindfulness techniques, please let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on wellness, self-care, and mindfulness. Until next time, stay grounded and keep shining.